We're actually standing on a volcano at this moment in time. And now we're going to venture to the crater that's 1,200 feet wide and 800 feet deep. So this should be interesting. And it's a lovely sunny day again, and there is snow everywhere. Loads and loads of snow. Loads and loads of snow and sunshine. Snow and sunshine. Ooh. Oh! Yeah. Oh, there's number 17. 18's the volcano, isn't it? Right then, we've nearly ascended the volcano. This is number 17. I don't know what number 17. What was number 17?
Devil's Playground.
Below you see the beginning of the Banderra lava tube.
The lava tube system, yeah. A large canyon snakes out from the crater. A section of lava flow illustrates how violent this eruption must have been.
Devil's
Yeah, so blown out of
yeah, all the way up there.
Yeah. There's lava.
Actually, I think we're actually walking on it, aren't we?
Yeah. We chipped it up doing it into the...
And whoa! This is do not pass this point. This is this is quite breathtaking, actually.
There it is.
Whoa, look at that! Fucking hell. Wow. I don't look like 800 feet.
I'll believe it. Believe anything they tell me.
Yeah.
That was just open at one time, right down to the centre of the earth.
And that's the top. Whoa.
Yeah, I'll go for that being 800.
Yeah. That's probably the highest point up there. Going all the way down there. I have. Ooh. Where's this fucking thing? Oh, no, back. Aha! Right, I have done something most people have never done before in their lives, apart from the odd few people. I've climbed a volcano, and it's pretty amazing up here. Right down there. There's the bottom. And now the arduous part of walking back fucking down it. Ah. Right. It's been fun. Bill has walked off already, down there somewhere. He's off. He wants to get back to the car. So, that's about it really. What?
Lava tree.
Oh, what?
Lava tree.
Lavatory. Ah, he's a comedian. Lavatory. Oh, there's quite a few of them around here if you want to go. The Devil's Playground. Basically, when the volcano exploded, it went all this way, all the way out. One of the lava tubes. This is just one of many. We went in another one earlier on. This was the ice cave, and that's about it. We're gonna head back down to the car.